I always thought this trip was to give me time alone. That time alone would give me the space I needed to work things out in my head. The proverbial self-development. But being out here alone, my anger is only intensified and become more sporadic, and my thoughts are misguided, and I am devolving into incoherenceness. I feel like I've let people down, and that my own sanity is in jeopardy. I ask myself seriously if I have let my own ego damage my natural balance in life. Have I lost my natural fizz?
My life, like the rise and fall of great nations, in my search for you, in my struggle for the balance of world power, thirsting for more, 'cause all I've captured immediately dries. I woke up under a patchwork of lies.
Here is footage from my time in Munich, Germany during 2012/13. I spent 7 months here. I was invited by a German girl that I met during my motorcycle adventure, and I was extremely excited for this. I thought it was a great opportunity to learn about the history and the culture and learn the language, and it was a enriching experience. It was kind of like this clip. It was cold and harsh and beautiful. And it did end in heartbreak on many levels. I was forced against this hard stone architecture, and I was forced to rebuild myself, and it took me many years to get over this one.
Would have said you guys should stay, should have go, should try to get her back, remember? See? You knew what you were supposed to do. What am I, are you recording this? Ian, are you recording this? You got all that talk?
Oh, it's a nice view.
Oh, look at you see the sheep?
Here, my sister Adina and I travel from Munich, Germany to Saarbrücken. She was visiting me after having spent time with her boyfriend in Italy, the man she would later marry and have 2 children with. Her companionship during this travel was greatly appreciated, as I was down and was no good company. I was mostly silent and slunking in my walk. The trees in this video blurring by illustrate perfectly my mind state during this time.
It's just trees right now, yeah. Wait till we get to a little village.
Oh, it wasn't recording.
It's such an Ian move, dude.
Do you want to give a shout out?
No.
Dina, give a shout out. Come on.
Oh, shout out to
Give a shout out to this doc. This will be on TV someday.
give a shout out to all those who can't be here. We're here for you in spirit. We're doing this for you.
Cool.
Brother and sister, Germany 2012. Shout out to the Blues and the Bombers.
I put the sail up.
Did a fast job on this. I've sent a video to my friend. The one I showed you, the one with the kid, and the one with the jumpsuit, with the palm tree print jumpsuit, Kathleen. And she was like, "Oh, you're looking so good as a skipper," and wow, he's also speaking German and he has a dog. Wow. She was like totally impressed.
Yeah. That's awesome.
It was like good catch.
That's right, baby.
Santa Monica Bay 2017. I've had my boat Valhalla for 2 months now. I've invited Bianca to come sailing with me this evening. She is a beautiful German woman, and she reminds me of my German experiences. She somehow tethers me to my hopes or validation in accomplishing my dreams and the time that I've put into my travel and exploration. This is my favorite view of Los Angeles, overlooking the city, and I'm charmed to watch Bianca at the helm and dancing to this cheesy reggaeton music.
Dass uns die Polizei gleich anhält hier, weil wir so schwanken.
Come on, Lucas.
Spending time with Bianca was nice. It helps make up for some of the hardest years of my life, coming back from Germany to Los Angeles, broke financially and broke spiritually. But I was dead set on one thing, and that was to get a sailboat and go around the world and have my time in the sun.
Badly you wanted to see all of those destinations circled on the map, your sister's bedroom wall. As you go away to sail there, just wasn't clear to me. Just wasn't clear to me. in spirit. I know it's easy for me to say all this in hindsight, but I admire how you stood your ground, stay true. All of these years just wasn't clear to me. It just wasn't clear to me. Inevitable fall back. Just another page from another book. Just another story in the history of man. My life, like the rise and fall.
If you found this vlog, do me a favor and don't tell all your friends. Don't smash the like button. Let's just keep this between you and me.
For the balance of world power, thirsting for more. 'Cause all I've captured, a meat